swaging set. It's made by ITE. I think the CPS ones are the same. The handles are a different colour. Got from 3/8 up to up to inch and 3/8, which is about the biggest we do really. Just want to show you a little trick that can get you out of trouble now and again. I've got a bit of 1/2 inch pipe on there. Just trying to do one-handed. There we go. That should fit on there okay. Not quite. Right, you get the idea, that'll fit on there. Alright, that's Swage, that'll fit on there fine. Every now and again you come across a bit of pipe that's not quite the right size. You might be trying to do something you shouldn't really do, like going on the outside of a fitting. It's already swaged when you've got some different sized pipe, or maybe you've got some metric pipe and you're trying to join some imperial pipe to it. And then it just won't fit, or it's got a bit of blob of braze on there that you can't get rid of. Right. What you can do, get some normal electrical tape, wrap that on the swage, and then swage it again. And now that fits on there. So you can see how loose that is now. Don't want to go mad because you'll split the pipe, but that can get you out of trouble now and again.